This video is brought to you by Restaurantware. In it, we're talking about fryer baskets, specifically these stainless steel fryer baskets. We've got 3 here to show you. We have the mini square silver mesh fryer basket. It's 4 inches by 3 1/4 by 2 1/4 high. And then we have the small square silver waffle grid fryer basket. It's 6 1/2 inches by 3 1/4. And finally, we have the rectangle low boy fry and app basket. This one is 8 inches long, 4 3/4 wide, and 3 inches high, giving you 3 unique fun style options. The mesh comes in the mini that we see here, but also there's a slightly larger small size as well. The waffle grid comes in the small that we have and also a large size as well, meaning there's some more style and size options for you to explore. The stainless steel baskets are a great way to serve up tasty fries, finger foods, apps, and wings, even those tasty fried little desserts. The 3 styles and multiple sizes mean you can find the perfect one to suit your needs. These are great to use for service at tables or even as a display piece on buffets. The stainless steel construction is durable and corrosion resistant. These units are dishwasher safe for a quick and easy cleanup and care. They add a nice charming touch to your service of fried foods, and they're perfect for any restaurant serving up fried goodies or for caterers looking for those extra special touches to add to their service.